Hi, welcome to another CubePlus feature walkthrough. In today's video, we will see how Option Terminal on CubePlus allows you to analyze, execute and manage option strategies seamlessly from one screen, making your trading faster and more efficient. On the CubePlus dashboard, under Trading Terminals, click on Option Terminal. By default, you will see the Nifty 50 option chain and corresponding strikes. You can easily switch between indices like Bank Nifty or Sensex, even customize what you want to view and check the expiry date. You also have flexibility in viewing the strikes, whether you want all strikes or just 10 or 20 strikes above and below ATM for a clearer view. Click on Expand for an expanded view of the chain. You can see the calls on the left and puts on the right, along with key data like OI, IV, Greeks, VWAP, volume, bid-ask and LTP for the corresponding strikes. And if you specifically want to focus on Greeks, just toggle it on. You will see delta, gamma, theta, vega instantly. Another powerful insight here is the put-call ratio. With one toggle, you can understand where the positions are placed, so you can decide the support and resistance zones directly from the chain. On the left-hand side, you can track your open positions, closed positions and open orders. You can edit, add, view their details, chart and also filter them from here. Now, coming to execution, you can buy or sell any strike directly from the option chain itself. Just hover and click buy or sell and the order pad opens instantly. You can also check details of the stock, the market depth and also view charts on the same screen. If you want to build multi-leg strategies, simply turn on basket mode. Now here's where it gets even more powerful. You can add multiple legs, click on buy or sell and execute them together. You also get a lot multiplier, so you can scale your entire strategy in one go or edit each leg individually or even delete them. And before placing the trade, click on Analyze. You are redirected to next option, where you can analyze your strategy, check the payoff chart, P&L table, Greeks, multi-strike OI, all within one platform. For more such CubePlus walkthroughs, make sure you subscribe to the Tradejini YouTube channel. And to stay updated with the market insights, you can also join our WhatsApp community and the link is in the description below. Thank you for watching.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities are quoted as an example and not as a recommendation.